In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an Epic Games account. Okay, so once you go to epicgames.com, you'll be on this page. Then you can see at the top right of the screen, it says sign in. Go ahead and tap on sign in. That is what you have to click on to go to the create a account page. And then once you click on that, you'll be presented with all of these options. Then right at the bottom, you can see it says sign up. Click on sign up. Now you can go ahead and sign up with all of these different options, and you'll just have to go ahead and enter in the relevant information for each and every one of them that you decide to use. But for this video, I'm going to use Google because that's simply the easiest for me to do right now. So I'm going to click on sign up with Google, and then I'll just go ahead and select the account that I want to use for this Epic Games account. Okay, so now it says we are not able to find a linked Epic Games account. So this is where you'll go ahead and click on link to new account. You would go ahead and fill in your information. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then you have to accept the terms of service and then click on the blue continue button. Now they have sent a verification email to my email address that I selected in the sign up process. So I'm going to go ahead and check that email. And here's the email from Epic Games, so I can click on it, and then here is the verification code that I need to fill in there. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, go back to Epic Games, and then paste it in here. And then I will click on verify email. And now I have successfully created a new Epic Games account. You can see my username at the top right of the screen. I can click on account. It should have all my relevant information. So that is how you create an Epic Games account in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.